Could you explain about the new products? Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So these models
Yeah.
are released in 2022.
22.
Yeah,
Okay.
this year. And these models in the two boxes is a collaboration with Mercedes-Benz. And
yeah.
and here is a collaboration with AMC.
AMC.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the third collection of the
I know. Okay.
collaboration collection. And this is the first prescription glasses, not
yeah.
sunglasses.
Oh, okay.
So
It's good.
yeah, it's a really very simple square glasses, but the temple has the engraving of the Mercedes
yeah.
mark
Okay.
and the stars, star patterns. And this model has a 4-color combination.
Yeah. Okay. What color?
So this is the part. So matte silver.
Yeah. Okay.
And the hinge part has also the 3-star.
Three pointed star.
Yeah, 3-pointed star.
Yeah.
And this model, the base color is gunmetal.
Oh, gunmetal.
Yeah.
Okay. I love gunmetal.
Gunmetal. And the hinge part is also the matte silver part.
Okay. It's nice.
Yes. And then black and gold.
Black and gold.
Yeah. And blue.
Yeah. Like Mercedes-Benz cars.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So these color combinations are inspired by the real Mercedes cars.
Okay.
Yeah. And then also this is a very new feature of these models because we call it this system correction as a silk correction.
Yeah, I know.
This model is a very classic silk correction.
Yes.
And as you can see, the temple part attached to like the vertical,
Yeah.
but this Mercedes-Benz correction has a temple attached horizontal.
Oh, yeah.
So it looks very thin.
Oh. Can you
It's a very
move this?
yeah.
Okay.
So we have the information engraving on the bottoms. It's very small.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Okay.
So it's a very different from the collection.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah. And here is AMZ.
AMZ.
Yeah. So we have the 3 models of the prescription glasses. The one is the AMG 03.
Okay.
The shape is a very simple but a little bit round, square.
Yeah.
And inside we have the
It's
different
cool.
color.
It's cool.
Yes.
Okay.
So these models has red and yellow and blue inside.
Okay. Okay.
So this color also used for the real AMG cars.
Okay. Nice shape.
Yeah, it's good shape. And it's also the slit
Yes.
above the lenses. So
Like the front of the cars.
it's also
Ventilation.
yeah. Yeah. And this model AMZ 05,
Yeah.
it has like a wing part of the rear wing part.
Okay. Very good. Oh, it's good.
Yeah, this part is one of the design accent, but also it has a good features for the durability for the front part. It's very hard, so
I can
Yeah.
understand. Okay.
so it makes very comfortable and stable wearing.
Yes. Comfortable.
Yeah, comfortable.
Yeah. Oh yes, it's good.
And it also has two sunglasses. The one of the very big shape of the sunglass, and the combination with acetate.
Acetate.
Yes.
Okay.
And this acetate, this material is a bioplastic.
Bioplastic.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it's good for the environmental and the very ecological material.
Yeah. Okay.
And this model is a very unique sunglasses because this sunglasses has this part
Oh yeah.
on the rim part. So it also makes
Stability.
stability.
Yeah. Okay. It's cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
Prescription eyeglasses.
Yes.
It's
The first
very
collection.
good. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
How about this?
Yeah. This is the new acetate model.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And the feature of the IC bearings acetate collection is it's also screwless.
Yeah.
So we don't have any screw on here and the hinge part. So I can show you the system.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh, new system.
Yes. So we have the hinge part in here. So there is no screw and no glue.
Oh yes, I know. Yes. It has some of differences but
it's a new system.
Yeah. Marius K. Marius K.
Marius K.
Yeah.
Yes. It's also screwless and Marius K, but it's a different system.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Some of eyeglasses I try. Okay. Pure Elements.
Pure Elements is a collection of metal, a combination with the metal and metal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I know.
So the many model has acetate rim part here, but this model has the metal rim.
Oh, okay. This name is
Neo.
Neo.
Yeah.
Yes. Metal by metal collection.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. これが What's the name of this?
This is George.
George.
Yeah. The design looks like
I am George.
Mr. Young.
Mr. Young.
Yeah.
Yes. So.
We have the 25th anniversary collection.
Okay. I
So
understood.
this is the acetate version of Mr. Young.
Yeah. Very good. I like this. Okay. And some Mercedes collection.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is AMZ04.
04. Yeah, okay. Oh, very good. Okay. ちょっと待って